Hey everyone! Looking for this tutorial on how to use the TradeWiz trading bot for copy trading. In this video, I'll show you how to register, deposit Solana, find profitable wallets, and set up your copy trading settings. Let's begin. To register. On TradeWiz, you need to sign up through Telegram. First, click the link that says sign up for This will redirect you to the TradeWiz Telegram bot. Once you're in the bot, simply click start. That's it. Your account is now ready to use. After registering, TradeWiz will display your Scout Solana wallet. This is where you will deposit Solana. In order to start trading, copy the wallet address and send some Solana to it. It's recommended to start with a small amount just to make sure the first transaction goes through correctly. Now that you've deposited your Solana, it's time to find profitable wallets to copy. This process used to take time and money across different platforms, but with TradeWiz, it's free and easy. Go to the menu in the bot and select the Smart Wallet category. Then paste the address of a token that has recently gone up in price. TradeWiz will analyze that token and show you a list of wallets that made a profit on it. You can then see their overall performance in the last 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. If you want to analyze an individual wallet, go to the menu again and choose Address_Analysis. Paste the wallet address and TradeWiz will show you the wallet's trading stats. For example, if a wallet has a 72.4% win rate in the past 7 days, that's a good trader to consider copying. Once you've found a wallet to copy, it's time to set up your copy trading settings. Let me walk you through the best settings for the bot. Start by naming the wallet under tags. In Target Wallet, paste the wallet address you want to copy. Set the purchase percentage to 100. For maximum buy and maximum sell, set it to 0.025. The total buy limit should be 0.1, set by times to 1. So if the trader makes multiple trades in the same token, only the first one will be copied. Set unburnt to don't buy. Mini LPs should be not limited. Max MC and min MC can stay not limited. Set copy, pump, and copy sells to true. Set sell by position ratio to false. Slippage should be 40%. And finally, gas fees should be 0.005. Once all the settings are done, press Create. Your copy bot is now ready and will automatically copy the trades of the wallet you selected. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand how to use the TradeWiz trading bot for copy trading. So far, it's one of the best and easiest tools available for beginners and pros alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.